Hello everyone and welcome. And today we're going to be doing a review on Glide app. Now this is a no-code powerhouse, which means this is intelligent app for hyper-efficient apps, actually for hyper-efficient operations. You can create modern AI-powered apps that turn scattered data into actionable insight and automate manual work with no coding required. If you need tools and feature operations, you can use here, not operations and feature tools. Your ERP and CRM are unusable. You can't act on data because it's trapped in a cake and in unintuitive systems. Use Glide. Trusted by over 100,000 high-performing companies, the software is made for modern operations. You can create intelligent apps that help you close deals in the field, manage customers, or track inventory by using the build from a feature. So AI wingman in the field. Can equip your field reps with an intelligent app that accelerates deals while giving managers real-time performance insights. So if you want to meet the companies working more efficiently with Glide, you can check them out here. It will help you turn your data into intelligent apps. Let the experts create your perfect solution or build it for yourself. Using their look at the two options. You can use the do-it-yourself option or you can use the build for me option. Glide is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars. So that's it for Glide. These are the resources, templates presenting everything written about them, the platform, and then the prices. Look at the pricing. We have the free plan, we have the major plan, we have the business plan, and the enterprise plan. So you can get Glide solutions so to get a free quote in the pricing calculator to help you compare the features and the pricing. So Glide revolutionizes the way the team works and collaborates. There's so many questions you can ask them. So if you're tired of complex coding and expensive development cycles, then Glide might be your answer. This no-code platform empowers you to build powerful custom apps without writing any kind of code, and it's right and to be the right fit for you. We look at the capabilities, limitations, and the real-world use cases to help you decide if it is what you've been seeking. So after what we've seen, we can see that it can be looked at as a digital toolbox that lets you build your apps without any fancy coding skills. And create all sorts of apps from simple expense trackers to complex project management tools. In this spreadsheet. It also allows you to add exciting features to your apps like video messages, live video viewing, and video chat. The apps work seamlessly on any device as a progressive web app. So if you've ever dreamt of creating your app or feel intimidated by coding, Glide is here to make your dreams a reality. So, what are the top benefits of the Glide app? No code development, visual interface, Google Sheet integration, real-time updates, collaboration, multimedia support, QR code sharing, customizable templates, streamlined business processes, and no end-user license agreement. The benefits of Glide are drag and drop interface, integration, rich media support, conditional logic and actions, templates and components, and when it comes to pricing, it's not too bad. So you can give it a try. Let's look at the pros and the cons. There's need to use because it's coding required. Simple drag and drop interface. It works for Google Sheets data. It updates happen instantly. Updates stuff instantly. You can create many different types of apps. As for cons, it takes some time to learn everything. Customization can be limited and it can get priced. It doesn't work well offline and it depends on Google Sheets. So looking for alternatives for Glide apps, you can look at AppDownload, Bubble, AppSheet, Toolkable, and Workflow. Remember, the best platform for you depends totally on your special needs budget and technical proficiency. So it is worth exploring a few options to find the one that best aligns with your goals and vision. So in conclusion, I would say that if you're looking for an easy no-code way to build apps, Glide is worth a shot. The way for beginners, anyone who wants to create app that coding, but even needs super complex features or what complete control, it cannot be the best fit. Remember, the best way to know if that is right for you to try it out yourself. Sign up for the free trial and see if it clicks. Happy app building. So before we go, let's see if we can sign up. Let's click on sign up. So click on OK. So over here, okay, there we go. Create your free account. Create your account, click on sign in. I don't have to. This is my work email. Continue. Really want to know where I got information about them from. Oh yeah, the pricing for client, we have the free plan, we have the team plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. Another free plan is around $3, we have same plan you pay $105, and the business plan is a monthly price by the way. For the business plan, $210, for the enterprise plan, $50. Whatever reason, seems I'm being justice is distracting. So, for the pros and the cons, if we talk about the pros and the cons, talk about the plans, we talk about the varieties, back here again. Okay, let's just choose one here. So, back up here. I might work at a company, let's just say just me, what is my role? Let's see, what's the job level? Let's say that's preference, click on next. So routine, want to click my account, and sentence. I guess we're stopping here. Anyway, if you will try it with my section, you'll be able to create an account. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like to keep it up every day. Thanks for watching.